Hello, everyone. How are you? Welcome to Seahorse Souls. This is our daily message. Today happens to be a Tuesday, and it is August 12th, 2025. How are we feeling? Um, there's just so many different things coming up right now. People from the past are showing up, like from long, long time ago. Um, Old happenings, situations. It's kind of strange. How are you feeling? Eh, you know, I keep having a really hard time participating in anything because so I just stick to myself. I don't know. People are kind of losing their minds, especially those who um, have not been on this healing journey. Let's see what these cards. We have three. Huh. The Empress, the Lovers, and the Temperance. The Empress? I think it's really important to understand that everything is happening just as it needs to. Listen, scratching my ear. Nine of Pentacles. Look at that beautiful peacock. You are worthy. You are, you're like, you're in this energy of, well, the things have been crumbling. Right? Clarity, this understanding. Your manifestations are like they're coming to fruition. Okay. And the High Priestess, and then there's nothing. Oh, but on the bottom of the deck is the World. You're being called to lean in on your spiritual gifts. Trust your authenticity. Okay. Because anything and everything that was not true, real, built on lies is crumbling. It's crumbling before our eyes. We can feel it. It says, I let go of childhood fears. I am a secure, empowered adult in charge of my own life. Well, maybe as a child, you weren't allowed to choose to pick. Well, now you are. So choose and pick wisely. Follow your heart. Stop waiting. What are you waiting for? There's nothing coming to save you. You are it. Your choices, your beliefs matter. Like I just saw the death of your old self. There's a lot of realizing of how you've held your own self back. Maybe because you trusted or listened to someone else, but ultimately you're the one making the choice. That's a hard pill to swallow. You have to let it out. It can be really dirty, ugly, messy. Let it out. There's no need to control. There's nothing to fear. Number 8. Bath coal. Eschew complicated explanations as you seek the simplicity of the deepest truth of your heart. Gently but firmly cast aside that which does not resonate as being true for your heart. Focus upon and speak from a higher spiritual perspective. All prayers are answered at the perfect time and in the perfect way. You have a powerful voice which can foster healing and wisdom on our planet. There's something you need to speak on. Angel number 549. Like out loud. My hair is tickling my ear. Okay. 549, it says your angels are encouraging you to listen to the voices within and be prepared to make changes it is asking for, as these are the steps you need to take to have a miraculous life. Are you willing to slow down and listen to that voice within? Lots of spying, lurking energy. I don't know, I just keep saying all these flies. Well, the canary, step forward now and sing your song. There is power in finding your voice. Right. Time to allow your voice to be heard, even if you shake, even if you're not sure. Just do it. Angel number 706, it says your ability to manifest miracles will be unlocked when you clear the emotionally draining situations from your life. Take the power back into your own hands. Shift the way to new potential. Number 29. Powerful goddess and divine mother energy is surrounding you. You are being enveloped in love and compassion. I feel like this energy is fired up. The sacred flow of yes. One step ahead is all you need. And what does your soul say? The hummingbird was just right here. Well, I was hoping the hummingbird was going to come back, but of course, it hasn't come back. Only because we were waiting. Anyway. Just slow things down so that you can clear anything and everything that's in the way. Use these energies to guide you. Don't get caught up in someone else's junk. Stay out of the fear mongering. If it's not happening right now, do not give it your focus, your attention. Remember, everything outside of you is a distraction. All right, y'all. I hope that this message resonates. I really hope you are doing well. I'm sending you so much healing love from my heart to your heart, and I will see you in the next video.